As you see, guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished, and today Bitcoin give us another red candle. Things it's look very bad, guys. Also, we've been talking about that head and shoulder here when it give us like that, and look at it, guys. Look at that head and shoulder. Us every day warning you about that head and shoulder. It's might in short time frames we're going to see a pop above here or something like that to hit those stop losses. They are here and even here. But guys, you need to be careful. I'm talking here about long-term investors, and exactly those ones they like to sell in the top. Things it doesn't look good, guys, here based on that head and shoulder here in daily. You see it, guys? Things it doesn't look good here. So you need to be careful. By the way, guys, before we continue, I want that video to reach to 100 likes. Guys, please, if you haven't smashed the like button, go now, smash the like button, write down a comment, tell me your thoughts about Bitcoin, what are you thinking? You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Plus today we enter along in the Bitcoin, along in the Sol, along in the XRP, and along in the Ethereum, and all those ones, they are swing trading, guys. All of them, we're making very nice money from them. Those days, also we tell it to you, we don't give in day trading signals because the market doesn't move, guys. The market doesn't go to volume, and I'm going to show you all those things. Because those days we're giving just swing trading. So if you are interested and you want to join us to make money even in that bad situation like that, welcome, my friend. Now we're giving a short in the Sol, a swing trading. You can join us if you are interested, of course, and you want to learn from professional people. That's the job of them, guys. No bias, no nothing. When we lose, we share it. When we're making money, we share it. So if you are interested, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. Click at join, finish payment process. By the way, if you see that VIP cryptocurrency, that means you are going to pay without VAT here or back sales, guys. So if you see it, join based on it. If you don't and you see only that two here, that man it's applicable to you. Back sales, so you need to join by those ones, guys. It's very simple to join also. You click at join, finish payment process inside Patreon. There is a video going to show you all the steps. It's not hard steps. Just connect Patreon to Discord and voila, you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, things here, it's look bad, guys, as you see it here. Based on that head and shoulder here, the one, look at it, guys, very clear head and shoulder here in daily. If we break in the neckline here, we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping very hard, guys. Yes, it's not yet, we haven't broken, but when we got a head and shoulder, that meant something it's not right, guys, here. Also, we're breaking that up trend we used to have here. Now we're breaking the 20 moving average, and the Bitcoin is showing to us a stronger resistance from the top, so things is getting ugly, guys, here. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? You see the 20 moving average. We break it here. Now we came back. Now there is one of two. Either the Bitcoin here going to give us a double bottom here and to break that 20 moving average, and we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping higher. That number one scenario. Second scenario, as me I told, we are going to break the neckline here of that head and shoulder. And if we done that, next stronger zone is it that one here at 93k, guys. And we got another one down here at 84k. So those ones the levels, guys. We got that one here 93k, where is the 200 moving average here in daily, and we got that one here down at 84k, guys. So those was the levels, but now also we are in a very stronger zone. That one here, as you see it, we touched it the first time. Now let's go in to touch it the second time. So I think I explained everything to you, guys. You need to be careful, my friend, again and again and again. You need to be careful. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? As you see, that one, it's coming to touch that wall as we have here. The old trend of the divergence as we used to have here. You remember it, guys, here? That one, you need to be careful when we're going to touch it here. What's going to happen here in daily? If we are going to bounce above, or we're going to break it down here and we're going to see it Bitcoin dumping more than that. So I think I explained everything at this time here based on daily. Also, we're still only in a zone where it's bulls the controlling. So let's see when Bitcoin touch that wall here, what's going to happen. The good news till now, there is no volume to push that Bitcoin up or down. That's very good news, but everything can happen in the coming hours. I think I explained everything to you here. Now let's go in to see Bitcoin sentiment, liquidity heat map, and coming news. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys. We started by that one here, fair and grid index. As you see today, the grid it fell down to 57. We haven't entered to neutral. We still grid, guys. That way, I told you need to be careful. Maybe we're going to see a dump in here, tell fair, and that's very bad, guys. What we got else today here, let me show it to you. We got that one here, that long I haven't done it for you here. Majority of retail traders are bearish, guys, and look at the bears, more than 50% in all exchanges. So you need to be careful, my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. What we got else, the Bitcoin ETF is going there to see it. Based on Bitcoin ETF, guys, yesterday, what happened yesterday? We got some inflow. Even our friend BlackRock, they buy yesterday 548, but not like before, how they used to buy before, huge number. Today, what happened? None of them is buying. Actually, today, Fidelity they sold 1.87k. The total Bitcoin being outflow today, 1.87k. ARK Investment, we don't got the information of them or data of them. And even BlackRock, same thing. So I think I explained everything. All those ones, they're slowing, guys. That way, I told you there is something coming, something major coming. You need to be careful, my friend. Now it's going to see liquidity heat map. We're going to tell us the clear direction of that market. Let's go in there to see it, guys. Here we are, guys. Here in smaller time frames, we got stop losses here, and we got a huge number of stop losses above here. That means smaller time frames, we are going to make a correction here to 106 till 107k to liquidate those ones above here, because we got a huge number of stop losses there. But to see the clear picture, like me, how I've been teaching you here, we go from 24 hours to weekly, guys. That's where we're going to see the clear direction of that market. Here we are, guys. In the weekly, we got stop losses above here and down here. Here in the weekly, we don't got a clear direction, guys. If you want to see more clear direction, you need to go more higher. But here it's very hard to predict where is that market going to go, either above or down here. Me personally, I'm still thinking that 127k or something. Then we're going to see what's going to happen. Me personally, I still have a long swing trading open, but let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. Now it's going to see the coming news of today, guys. So let's go in there. Coming news of today, guys. As you see it, that the news we got today we got interest rate of the Eurozone. As you see it here, it's going to come at 12 o'clock. But the most important thing, guys, is it that one here. That Christine Lagarde press conference. What she going to say, guys? Because last time she said something which is very, very, very important. She said the European Union, they want to change using the US dollar as a reserve currency with the euro. And that if she say it today or mention it, it's going to be a big daily match to the market, guys. We need to be careful of that woman, what she going to say. It's going to come closer to 1 o'clock GMT time, so you need to be careful about how what you're going to say. Over here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day here in that channel. Look at it, guys. US indices today, they're still going above. As you see, the Nasdaq, the SP 500, the Dow Jones, those ones, as we told, they are going to go more higher than that. Based on our friend down here, the VIX, as you see, it's Scarness and Fair, it's still very low, guys. It's still falling down. We touched the 20. Now we are 1761. That meant everything's still looking good. Till we reach to 12. At the right time for us to take some of the profit. Also, we've been teaching you that. Yes, a little bit of fell higher, 17.61. But everything look great, still falling down. Now let's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. The Bitcoin here in 12 hours is it's stuck here in that very stronger zone. Look at the 20 moving average is going to cross below the 50, guys, here in the 12 hours. Things is looking very bad here. Also, we've been hoping the Bitcoin to come back to break above here, but he couldn't, guys. He's showing to us as if it's going to do like that. And if that happens, we're going to see Bitcoin dumping to touch for us that 100 moving average, which is exactly at 99k. But the stronger levels here based on volume profiles, we got that one here. We are in it now. We got that one here down, and we got another one down. Let me tell you the levels. That one here is it at 104, 276. We got that one here at 94, 602. But don't forget that one here, that white one, the 100 moving average, which is exact at this time, 99, 822. So those ones the levels you need to look at them. But the levels of me, let me show it to you. Levels of me, guys, that one here, 102, 603. That one above here, 108, 570. And we got that one here, 98, 840. Those ones, the three levels, you need to look close at them today, guys. I think I explained everything to you here. Now it's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, you remember that head and shoulder. Also, we showed it to you before here. We told you guys it was in the top line of one of our videos. Is it that one here? Look at it, guys. Very, very, very clear head and shoulder, guys, here. If we break in here, we're going to see that Bitcoin dumping very hard. That number one scenario. Second scenario, guys, is it that one here? Even that one, we show it to you. We told you we got here a down channel like that. We told you if we break in the top here, we're going to act like a flag, but the Bitcoin couldn't manage to break it. Now it shows as if it's going to dump to touch the lower of that channel, guys, here. So everything looking bad. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. Now we need to focus about that one here, if it's going to be blocked to go more higher or it's going to break down. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you, which is that one here, guys. You see here those moving averages, all of them they break in here. Now the 20 moving average is still stronger. Now we are in the 200 moving average, guys. If we break in the 200 moving average here in 4 hours, we are going to dump, guys, very bad. But the good news till now, what is it? Let me show it to you. Or bad news, let me make it like that. If you add here the Bollinger Band, guys, what the Bollinger Band telling you, there is a squeeze coming, guys. We don't know to where. Last time from here, we pumped till above here. It gave us a new all-time high. Now, maybe it's going to make it down or above here. So you need to be careful, my friend. Till now, we still a little bit uptrend, but everything can change in any time, my friend. So you need to be careful. I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see our indicator we're saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, as you see, they try to enter here to the place where the bulls they're controlling, but there is no power to keep it there. Also, we enter along from down here till above here. Now it fell down till here. What shall we do? Shall we enter along? For me, I'm still waiting that one here. You see that uptrend here, guys. If it's getting broke, I'm going to close the long and I'm going to enter a short. I'll show you why. I give you the reasons why yesterday. That's it. Now here, also we breaking that one here. We show it to you, that one here. We break it here, but here in the chart there is no sign we are going to break it, and the market it look like we are sideways. Let's wait in the volume. The volume is going to give us a lot of direction yet, and even here our indicator doesn't got power to keep it above to the place where is the bells the controlling. Now it came back to the place where is the bears the controlling. That's very bad for that market, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. All is going there. Here we are in the Ethereum, guys, in the 4 hours here. Here now we got like that, guys, like a wave, a triangle, name it whatever you want, as you see it here. But me, I'm looking at it like that. I showed it to you before in the previous videos. I told you we got here like a wake-off pattern here. We are in a very clear distribution level or zone. We came back, we touched today the 200 moving average in daily. Now it's showing to us as if it's going to dump, guys, here. Let's see if it's going to give us another entry to enter short. That's what us we're doing every time, guys. We're catching the smaller moves. Even market is it flat and us we're making money. Yes, it's not a lot of money compared how we used to make before, but the market condition will tell us that if you want to join us and you want to make money constantly, my friend, we told you what to do, but it's up to you. Maybe you find 25 bucks is expensive, but my friend, remember that also we give you a very high quality content inside. We follow you a lot of things, but it's up to you. We got something else here in Ethereum, guys. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys, the 200 moving average. We touch it here that the fourth time, as you see it here. Now what is it, the view? It gives us here in daily another pin bar here. Now there is one of two, either we're going to break or we got along in the Ethereum and we still holding a little bit of it. We are going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours. Look at that triangle I just show you, guys. You see it here in daily is very clear. Actually in daily can make it here like a pennant like that, guys, but it needs to break the 200 moving average. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. Either we're going to break above here the 200 moving average and we're going to see the Ethereum pumping hard. Second scenario is going to break again here and we're going to see it dumping. Actually the Ethereum is still looking a little bit good. The only thing that 200 moving average here in daily was still holding it. Let's wait and see. Plus the Ethereum got a very stronger supply and demand zone from down here or volume profile level. Let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days. Now let's going to see our indicator we're saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, same thing. We still have here that divergence downtrend. We touch it here and we couldn't manage to break it. You see it, guys, that way also using the RSI because RSI gives you clear picture in the chart. See it? We touch it here and now it's showing it's going to dump. Let's see if it's going to dump again, because if you see here down, see that zone here, guys, you got a triangle here in the RSI. If it's getting broke, maybe we are going to break it above, or maybe we are just going to touch the lower here. I'm still waiting the RSI till it enter to extreme oversold area at the right time for also thinking of to buy, guys. I think I explained everything to you here. Now let's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. All is going there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol It's very bad. That the only thing I can say, guys. That's all here. It gave us here the triple bottom here. That one here, it's break in, we enter with it, we go above here, then it dump here, we add here, we take some of the profit again here, and today dump here, we closing all the longs and we enter a short. Why, guys? We show you that flag here. Actually, it was in the thumbnail of yesterday video, that one here. We show it to you. Look at it, guys. That is a very clear bearish flag here. It's getting broke. Things it look very bad in the soul, guys. That's why also we enter that short now, and we're aiming for the market to dump more than that. Why? Because look at it, guys, that we show it to you. Even that one we told we got here that wage like that. Now we are going to fall down to touch the lower of it here, and from there we're going to see if we are going to come back again or we're going to break the lower here. Because if you bring in the target of that flag here like that, it's showing very low here, 137, guys, and that if it happen, it's going to be very bad for the soul. The soul now is give you here like a down channel like that, guys. You see it here, that's a down channel here. Let's see if we are going to fall down to touch the lower of it here, because we bounced from the top of it and we couldn't break it. We got something else here in the soul. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys. That's why also we enter that short. As you see that pin bar in daily here. Now the view of me, the soul is going to fall down to touch $144. That where is the 100 moving average. Second thing, we got that zone here in the volume profile, 147. So when the soul is going to dump down here, guys. And also we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. Well, it's a lot bad. That's the only things, guys. If the 20 moving average break the 50 like that, we go back to downtrend. That's a downtrend here. And all that correction, guys, it's just a normal correction, but the soul is still dumping, so you need to be careful. I think I explained everything. Now, let's see our indicator we're saying today here in the soul. Our indicator, guys, it's showing a different picture here. You see it here, a very clear downtrend. He touched it here. Oh, the soul, it's showing also it's still dumping, guys. Maybe it's going to fall down again to touch here extreme oversold. There is also still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. Or another scenario, the soul to come back to break here. Even that one, it's possible, guys. Also, that's what we're doing. We're making money. Soul and the Ethereum is one of the hardest cryptocurrencies to trade, guys. And I'm talking about trading, not investing. And also we're making money from them. So if you want to make money with us, we told you what to do. If you want to still struggling, losing, and maybe you are going to bankrupt, that's up to you, my friend. If you want to learn how professional people, they're making money with any condition of that market, welcome to the family. The link is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it and join via Patreon, my friend. But it's up to you. Now we're going to see the XRP or Ripple, what it's doing today. Here we are in the XRP, guys. The XRP also we enter along from here. The best things are close my short I have been holding from here. Now what is it? The view we got here, the down channel like that. Also we show it to you. That one here. We touch the top of it here. Now let's see if the XRP going to fall down to touch the lower here. That's possible, guys. Second scenario, that downtrend here. That one to be broke above here, and we're going to see the XRP pumping. Even that one is possible. The XRP, me, I'm still waiting that one here, that uptrend. If it's getting broke, it's going to give me here a bearish flag, same like that one of the soul, guys. We're getting broke here. If it's getting broke here, I'm going to catch another short in the XRP. And that's what also we're doing, guys, every day, every minute. But another thing, guys, here in the XRP, need to focus about it. If the XRP going to give you here a big head and shoulder here and to break here and to pump above, even that one is possible, guys. Now we got something else here in the XRP. Let me show it to you. Here we are, guys, here in the daily. Look what we got in the XRP. The XRP came, he touched the 100, the 50 moving average. Now we dump here. Let's see if the XRP going to pump again or to dump more than that, because now in the top we got a very stronger zone in the XRP, guys. The XRP things in it, it doesn't look good. Everything looking bad here in front of me in the chart, guys. Not the only things. Now let's going to see our indicator we're saying today. Our indicator, guys, in the XRP, it's look different than the others. Actually, it's breaking here. That downtrend, that meant that one here in our indicator is getting broke. Let's see now if it's going to test it here. I'm still holding my long. I haven't closed it till the trend they change. People that are with me didn't know that. And I'm going to enter a long or short. That's what also we're doing every time. That way also we're telling you if you want to make money in the XRP, Ethereum, Sol, Bitcoin, you can join us. Very constant money, guys, those days. No losses, but it's up to you. Now it's going to see Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. The Bitcoin actually here, it's breaking that big double top here, but there is no volume here. Now what else we're looking at that? That one here, that downtrend here, if it's getting broke here, that's more long. And we got even here, you can make it like that, guys, like a pennant here. You see it here, that one here is a pennant here in 30 minutes is like that. Even though when it's possible, so also we still waiting where is Bitcoin going to break. Me personally, I'm still thinking the Bitcoin is going to fall down till that low here. Then from here, 103K, we're going to see what's going to happen if we are going to pump again or we are going to dump. Why? Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is entered to a zone where is the bears they controlling. You remember we used to bounce from it. Now we are in a bear market, guys. Here in our indicator, it's telling us market going to dump more than that. So as we still waiting what's going to happen here. We got even here like an uptrend like that, guys. If it's getting broke here, you can catch a short if you're missing the entry short or something. Actually, the entry short, it was from here after it give you here the double top here. Me those days, I don't day trade, guys, because the market is very flat and it's too hard to make money with that market. That's why also those days we are calm down. But everything can change, guys, tomorrow or after tomorrow, depending on the market situation, because that's what else we're doing. We adjust our trading style based on market situation. Those days, market doesn't got volume. That way also we swing trade. If the market came back the volatility like how it used to be before, we are going to start day trading, guys, because look at it. If you enter from here a short, look, all the whole day is it here sideways here. So there is no volume, but it's up to you, my friend. If you want to join us, welcome. If you don't want, it's up to you. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button which is down. You done it? Thank you, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.